Welcome to my channel, The Nutritious Bite. Healthy choices for healthier a life. Did you know that papaya is one of the simplest fruits we see every day, yet very few people truly understand its extraordinary power? Imagine a fruit that can clean your stomach like a natural detox, boost your digestion faster than any medicine, make your skin glow naturally, protect your heart like a shield, and strengthen your immunity like a daily dose of vitamins. This is the magic hidden inside every slice of papaya. But here's the surprising part. If papaya can be extremely beneficial for many people, it can also be harmful for some when eaten at the wrong time or in the wrong way. That's why in this video, I'm giving you the complete, scientifically backed, deeply explained guidance on papaya so you never make the mistakes most people make. Papaya is not just a fruit, it is a therapeutic gift from tropical nature. The moment you cut open a ripe papaya, you're looking at a powerhouse of nutrients and a digestive enzyme called papain. Think of papain like a team of invisible workers inside your stomach. They break down heavy foods faster, repair your digestive system, ease constipation, reduce bloating, and help your body absorb nutrients more effectively. This is why papaya has been used for thousands of years in Ayurveda, herbal medicine, and modern skincare treatments. Its antioxidants, lycopene, beta-carotene, and vitamin C, fight aging, reduce inflammation, and protect your cells from internal damage. When we look closely at the nutrition of 100 grams of papaya, it becomes clear why this fruit is called a superfood. It contains just 43 calories, which makes it ideal for weight loss diets. It gives 11 grams of natural carbohydrates for quick energy, 1.7 grams of fiber for a clean and healthy digestive system, and almost zero fat, making it extremely light on the stomach. Papaya also provides 100% of your daily vitamin C, a high amount of vitamin A for sharp vision and glowing skin, folate for cell repair, potassium for blood pressure control, and multiple antioxidants that slow the aging process and reduce the risk of lifestyle diseases. Because of these nutrients, papaya offers a long list of powerful benefits. It naturally detoxifies your stomach, improves digestion, prevents acidity, and corrects bowel movements. Its high fiber content relieves constipation and keeps your gut healthy. The vitamins and antioxidants help in reducing pigmentation, dark spots, and acne, giving your skin a fresh, youthful glow. Papaya also supports weight loss by keeping you full for a long time, lowers inflammation in people with arthritis, protects the heart by reducing cholesterol damage, and even helps balance blood sugar due to its low glycemic index. It is one of the rare fruits that work for your digestion, skin, heart, and immunity, all at the same time. But just like every powerful natural food, papaya is not suitable for everyone. It is extremely beneficial for many people. It is also harmful for some people, especially if eaten at the wrong time or in the wrong way. Let's know who should not eat papaya. Some people must avoid papaya. Pregnant women should stay away from unripe papaya because the latex inside it can trigger contractions. People with latex allergies may experience itching or swelling after eating papaya. Those suffering from diarrhea should avoid it because its high fiber content can worsen their condition. People on blood-thinning medicines, those with stomach ulcers, or individuals allergic to the enzyme papain should be careful and avoid papaya completely. Best time to eat papaya to get maximum benefits. To get the maximum benefits, the best time to eat papaya is in the morning on an empty stomach. This is when your stomach is clean and papain can work at full power. Eating papaya in the morning helps detoxify the stomach, improves digestion, boosts metabolism, and energizes your body for the entire day. The second best time is in the afternoon, especially if you want a healthy, sweet, low-calorie snack. But avoid eating papaya at night, as it may cause gas or bloating for some people. Also, never eat it immediately after a heavy meal, as it may disturb your digestion instead of helping it. Recommended daily amount of eating papaya. The ideal amount of papaya for adults is 150 to 200 grams per day, which is about 1 to 1.5 cups. Children can have half a cup, while diabetics should pair small portions of papaya with nuts or seeds to control sugar release. For best results, always eat fully ripe papaya. Sprinkle a little lemon on top to enhance vitamin absorption. Avoid mixing papaya with milk, and pair it with nuts, chia seeds, or other fruits for balanced nutrition. Remember, papaya is more than a fruit. It's a natural healer that can transform your stomach health, your skin health, and your overall well-being. But like all powerful foods, it must be eaten correctly to unlock its true benefits. If you apply this complete guidance in your daily life, you will notice a visible change in digestion, energy, and skin within days. If you found this information valuable, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health videos. Stay healthy, stay informed, and always choose foods that heal you from inside.